Well, welcome back to Right Along with Dana. And wanted to put a message out here to help homeowners find a good contract. Because it can be hard to find a reliable contractor. In today's age and technology, a very good place to start is with Google reviews. There are good contractors that don't pay attention to that, don't have Google reviews built up. That's true. But if you find a contractor that has 40 or 50 Google reviews or more, and they don't have to have a 5-star rating, but if they have a 4.6 or above, could be lower, but anyway, somewhere around there, that tells you, that's a message that tells you that that contractor cares about their Google presence. So if they care about their Google presence, that means they care about the quality of work they do and doing a good job for the customer. Now, that being said, you should also read those Google reviews. There are services out there that are offered to contractors to generate Google reviews for them, and they're fake Google reviews. But if you read the Google reviews, you'll be able to tell a fake one from a real one. If you read our Google reviews, you'll be able to read every one of them talks about their experience with our company. Some of them didn't leave a comment, but the comments that are there, they talk about their experience with our company, how we helped them, and things like that. Check Google reviews and read the Google reviews. The third thing is this. If you want customer service, if you've got a company that has 4.8 stars, 100 reviews, 200 reviews, if they have 4.8, 4.9 stars, if you're having a problem and you want customer service, here's a tip. Go onto Google and leave a 1-star review. I'll guarantee you, any company out there with hundreds of reviews that are 4.8 stars or better, you leave a 1-star review, they're going to reach out to you. And please, if they help you out, please take the 1-star review off afterwards. Okay? The second thing to help you find a good contractor, let's say you've got somebody who doesn't have a good Google presence. They could still be a good contractor. What I recommend is make sure you have 3 or 4 interactions with that contractor before you hire him to do business. Here's what I mean by that. You call them, they show up. A lot of contractors, when they show up to bid a job, they're excited. They're going to make money. They're going to get the job. They'll put on their best face. It's like a first date. And they can be charming. They can be charismatic. They can be sincere. We'll do a great job, blah, 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 blah. And you hire them, you pay half the money, and there's stories out there, they disappear and don't come back, okay? But have 3 or 4 interactions with them. So you call them, they come out, they give you an estimate, you tell them you want to think about it, get back to them, talk to them a couple of times on the phone, see if they call you back, things like that. Have 3 or 4 interactions with them before you actually hiring to do the work. Neither one of these guarantees anything, but it's a couple of things that will give you a little headway, a little head start on getting a good contractor. Anyway, thanks a lot.